What is it?
I have no idea.
Mommy.
It is skin so
It's a bracelet.
Bubble bath. Yay.
Mommy.
It's
She
awesome.
got
You'll love it.
shampoo.
I know. I can't wait.
She has
Can't wait.
shampoo, Mommy.
And it's not shampoo. It's bubble bath.
You like
Take
something
a
like
nice,
that.
relaxing bubble bath.
Sure.
Oh, I see my name. I see my name. I
Okay.
see my name.
Oh, it has a pretty case. You can put stuff in there.
I got a bracelet.
Now show the other end where it's monogrammed.
This is for you. Daddy.
Is it monogrammed? It's supposed
It's monogrammed.
to. Okay.
This is for you, guys. Sister.
Okay.
This Peter has my name on it.
Oh, how beautiful. Now, who's this from?
That's from.
I see Mary. I see
Thank
Mary.
you. It's
Sorry,
beautiful.
It's a bracelet.
I forgot to put your name on it.
I got a bracelet too.
And earrings. I didn't get earrings.
Thank you.
Thank you, honey.
You're welcome.
There's also presents behind the Christmas tree.
No way.
Yeah.
Is this your name on it?
Behind the Christmas tree.
Yeah,
Behind
right,
the
that's your
Christmas
name.
Well, you always have to crawl underneath the tree.
The bag is from me. Sorry. I forgot to put a tag
Oh,
on it.
it's beautiful.
What's this?
We'll find something else for
What
Prince.
was this?
CJ would like this with the balancing.
What's this?
Yeah.
Mommy,
Where
what's
did CJ go?
CJ,
He's playing with his car.
come look. Who's that from?
Your mom.
We wanted it.
That's so you thinking outside the box.
Mommy, what's this?
This is a brain game.
My look.
It's exercise for your brain.
Oh, we'll have fun with that.
Look, CJ, look at this.
Again, see? I'm on a writing book again. No,
CJ, you want another gift? Or you just want your car? You want to see what else Santa bought you?
It has a band here, Mommy, see? It has a band stuck to the book so you can turn it on.
CJ, you want to see what's in here? I think there's something else in there for you.
He likes the balancing thing.
Yeah, he'll love that. Look how beautiful it is. I got from Mommy.
What did you get?
That's the book. It just looks about,
It's a 3D World Atlas.
Oh, you got your father.
Yeah.
Put it on.
Wait, I think you wear when you read the book.
Mommy.
Here.
Oh, you're gonna love that 3D.
Let go. Let go.
That is
Let's
so
guys.
cool.
Let's guys.
Yeah, it's awesome.
We used to have these glasses. Right, Daddy?
Right.
Oh. Let's see guys.
I think CJ just wants a car.
CJ, you got a present.
It's in little triangle. You're welcome.
Oh, here.
Oh, wow, it keeps on going.
Go sit and open. Open.
Neat.
You can wear it all different ways. Long, short, double
Oh.
stranded.
Lisa.
Oh, is this for you?
Yes. Lisa.
Yeah, you want to open it?
Yes.
Okay.
Lisa. Here's them.
Thank you.
We both have a present. We both have a present.
Thank you, Auntie
Yes,
Lisa.
that's very beautiful.
You want to open it? Ready, pull.
Open up a heart. What is it? No, I don't want to get it.
Another car.
3.
You got 3 cars. 1, 2, 3. More cars.
It's a material box.
That's adorable.
Two books.
Oh, a Madeline and Olivia. Who's that from? Is that from Grandma?
It's a Grandma Susan.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's cool. I got another Madeline. I remember this last year from the library at school.
Uh-huh. Oh, okay, the little scissors are right by CJ. Izzy, can you hand them to me?
Thank you. That's from a store where they buy things from different villages.
Put it back.
From like the artists from different villages. Sure, I've never
Let
seen
go.
it before. I thought it
Let
was
go.
really cool.
Son, let go. See what happens. Oh, there you go.
Cool.
Oh, this is
for
Mommy and Daddy.
Mommy and Daddy. Okay.
That's for you. You want to see what's in there? Ah, finally. What else is in there?
Good boy. It's green paper. Look what else. Look what
I
else.
think it's the present for me, Daddy.
What else is in there?
Auntie Lisa's playing Santa Claus. Look. There's more. It's
What's
not
in
just
there?
paper.
Oh, look what it is. They're dinosaurs, but look what you do. They're puppets. Put it in your hand.
Stick your hand up their butt.
You want the puppet? Okay. Thank you.
It's for you and Mommy.
Ooh, lots of
Okay.
stars.
Yeah, you don't know how to Please stand up, Mom. I think I will have lots of
Oh,
Mommy, this is for CJ.
it's a cheetah throw.
This is for CJ.
Ooh, thanks, Mommy and Dad. Very nice.
This is for CJ.
Ready?
It's for CJ.
CJ, you have another gift.
It's too heavy to lift, isn't it?
No, it's not.
Okay. You want help?
CJ, go see what's in that big box.
CJ, look, this is for you. Open it.
Izzy, you can help him. Maddie, you can help him. CJ.
I'm gonna need some scissors.
Here.
Until we say happy.
Good.
You make these things
Reprioritize.
so hard to open. What's
That's for you.
CJ.
Is she helping?
CJ.
Look at this. Look right here. Put your hand here. I'm helping you. Look. Put your hand right here and go, whoa.
Okay, open it.
open?
Oh my gosh. Wow.
Choo choo. You need a bigger house.
Is he turning on the other way?
Maddie, here, scooch. Good boy. Here you go.
What is that, CJ? Wow, that is terrific.
What is it? A choo-choo?
Yes.
How does it go? How does the choo-choo go? What kind of noise does it make? Does it go chugga, 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 choo-choo? It's a choo-choo. That's going to be cool.
Okay, we're going to take a little break. Say thank everybody. Okay, everybody say thank you to the camera.
Thank you, Kara.
Thanks, Mom and Dad, for the gift.